it depends a little bit on the weather. I would say the core strawberry season usually starts somewhere around mid-April and goes until end of May. So, but if you are closer to the coast, it starts a little earlier. And if you're in the mountains, it starts a little later, but then it goes a little longer. So it depends on the weather. Locally grown strawberries in North Carolina are a big thing. And there is a big market, especially because North Carolina is growing as a state. We have a lot of people coming in to areas like the Triangle or the Charlotte area or Wilmington or Asheville. And that, again, is our big market, especially for freshly grown strawberries. Plus, we do have a big density of U-pick operations and farm stands, which people really enjoy to go and pick strawberries. So that's a big market for North Carolina. The selling point here always is flavor. And that's what we are trying to select for. That's what Gina Fernandez's program and all the other programs we're working on is trying to select for at the end is marketability, flavor, yield, pickability is also important. Definitely you should wash your strawberries before you eat them. You want to keep them cool as fast as possible, so don't leave them in the car for too long or go shopping after you were picking strawberries and then just go home. So you want to move them into a cool environment. There's plenty of U-pick operations out there. If you pick them fresh and you eat them fresh, there's nothing better than like a fresh strawberry. Or if you don't have a U-pick operation, go into the store and buy from a local farm. Most stores do have local strawberries nowadays. They are usually from farms in about 100 miles radius from the store. So that would be something that would promote our local economy as well. I would say go and pick in the morning if possible, because the more it heats up, the less your strawberries will be durable if you want to keep them in the fridge or something. So if you can go out in the morning and pick when it's still relatively cool outside, you will be able to store your strawberries longer in the fridge. Don't pick strawberries which are pink. Don't pick strawberries that are green. I mean, those obvious things. And also, from the grower's perspective, try to pick a plant clean if you can. You do the grower a big favor if you do that.